Hello, buddy. Welcome back to One Stop Garage. We're back with the Wrangler. Yeah, my daily has been driving me good. It's been doing me well. And yeah. And sorry for the lack of upload. I didn't know what to do. But today we have something to do, and that's I got a remote start for the damn car from Accesso Rides, and it's gonna be a fun process because it's got a lot of wiring. It should be easy though, because it should be just plug and play. And also on top of that, we're actually gonna learn how to paint. So as you can see, got painting supplies and stuff. Because I've picked up a little side hobby or job where I'm gonna paint this BMX part. I mean, it looks pretty good, mint condition. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but who knows? It's worth it. It's worth a try, you know. If you're wondering why do I have BMX parts, because I used to ride BMX. As you can see, that's my bike. Well, not I used to. I still ride BMX. What am I talking about? But I got actually two parts from, because I remember I had a new front wheel and ended up doing a trade for a full BMX fork and a BMX frame that came with a seat, which is good. So, but first, before we do anything, I need to set up this mask because I got this respirator, and every good painter needs a respirator mask. So, yeah. What the hell? Alright, well, that's going. Alright, I don't know if I can care about it. I guess I'll keep this. Alright. What is it? Wasted 8 minutes? Here are all my supplies. Got 400, 600, 800, and 1,000 grit, which is going to be wet or dry sandpaper, which is the one I need. And then I got my paint, my clear coat, the glossy black. So I'll probably not even need this clear coat, and then self-etching primer. I probably got it wrong. I don't know. Before we even start painting, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and check out what's inside the remote start. And seems to be a lot of wiring. Fuck. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Alright, so seems to be the bag full of zip ties and a cable of some sort. Looks like a ground. We're gonna be making our own ground, I guess. And this huge wiring harness. That's gonna be a pain. Should be fun though, right? I don't know. I might cry. No, it looks like. Oh, fuck, man. Hey, I think this. What is this? Is this instructions? Your order was processed by a U.S. veteran. Okay. Thanks. What is this? What the fuck? I guess you can start just trying to. Oh yeah, we're gonna try to paint these, by the way. Looks like it got some scratches and discoloration on it, some rust, especially on the top, on the headset tube. Alright, so let's save that screw. And then I'm gonna start sanding the shit out of it with 400. Then we're gonna hit it with the next one, and the next one, so whatever. And if we need to start painting, I don't fucking know. If I'm done painting, I'll start installing that shit. So yeah, cue the time lapse. attacked it with 400 and 600 grit, and and basically, this is the result right now. Got all the paint off the top, at the bottom, somewhat there. I mean, I don't know for sure if I'm gonna need to actually take this off. I think I could just paint over it. I don't know. I've never painted anything before. I mean, everything seems to be sanded. There could be some glossy parts. I'm probably going to try to go ahead and attack that so there it's not glossy, because I don't think paint is going to stick to the glossy parts of the paint. So I'm going to try to attack that. But right now, I'll cut back when I'm somewhat done with this. I'll probably just paint it over it like this. But it should be fine. It's just paint. It's just BMX part, but yeah, I'm planning to sell those BMX parts, or maybe do another trade, maybe for another part, and yeah. So we'll try to finish the stem cap and see where this goes. Well, there it is. It's been sanded down to the bare metal. Now, I think we're gonna go ahead and wax and grease remove it. And yeah, and we'll start painting this thing. Maybe we'll actually install the remote start. But yeah, there you go. We're gonna wax and grease remove it, put it on the hanger, start painting. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the alcohol and wiped it down. As you can see, it's been wiped down. I got gloves on, and yeah, it's time to start painting. And but before we do that, I just said to paint at like a warm weather, like 50 degrees. So I went ahead and turned on the heater because it's like 41 degrees outside. So yeah, I'm gonna throw on the mask. I'm gonna be painting like this. So basically, the car's not gonna get any overspray. Hopefully, fingers crossed it doesn't. Well, who cares? It's just primer or paint. I mean, it's my car. I don't really care about it at this point. Well, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and try to apply a primer on this and see how it looks like. Alright, so there it is. It's been primered. Got 2 coats on it. Now time to add the paint. I think it's called the base coat. With the base coat, and we're gonna add the clear coat. Should be fine. Alright, so been painted, 2 coats of base coat. Now I gotta let that dry for an hour, and we're gonna hit it with a clear coat after. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and install this remote starter. So let's see how this goes. Obviously, we gotta open the door, and the instruction says take out the bottom panel. I'll go off these instructions, see how it works. So we gotta remove this cover, the steering wheel cover right here. That's not gonna be fun, but it's worth a try. So yeah. Alright, so I've gotten somewhere with this, and gotta take out the bottom plate that covers this, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to take this plate out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and because that's what it says in the instructions. I'm literally going off the instructions right now because I'm pretty sure I would not know anything. So yeah, so it'll be 2 10 mils. I'll remove the metal plate, and I think we'll continue to move forward. I'll be right back when I get everything. So you've basically took apart this, and so now I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have to take apart the ignition switch and try to connect stuff to it. So I'll probably time lapse. apparently the next thing in the instructions is we're gonna have to replace the hood switch. Hold on. We're gonna have to replace this fucking thing, apparently, because that's what they want. So I'll try to figure out how to replace it, and yeah, because apparently we're gonna be running wires across this for some reason. Let me go get the key real quick. Fingers crossed they did it correctly. That. Alright, there's my key. Boom. Okay, hear that stem cap is still running. Alright, so now, first. Alright, so instructions. It says. Whoa. Oh. Alright, so instructions say close and then reopen the door to wake up the BCM. So I'm guessing it's that little box. Alright. Then next page. Locate the LED on the top of the remote start module. Okay, so on the LED, it's red. Turn the ignition key. Ignition key. Oh, do I have to put in the key first? Let me close it there. Alright. Now turn the key to the on position just before the start when the. Okay.
Waiting for pairing.
Oh. LED will turn
Paired.
solid red within 5 seconds. So turn the key off and remove the key. Oh, come on. No. Oh, God. Oh, there it goes. Press the unlock button on the key once. The LED will turn solid green for 2 seconds and go out. Programming is complete. Okay, now we test. Make sure the hood is closed. Okay. Now it says the vehicle, then press the lock button 3 times.
Waiting for pairing. Paired.
What the hell? I did it! Alright, so the thing started, which is good. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that was it. So, I think we can just. Yeah, it says. Alright, so, and then at the bottom it says, at this point you would want to follow the steps above to hook up to the hood pin and park lights if desired. So, I'm guessing that we are done with the. We're finally done with the setup. So, I'm guessing we're going to put everything back together. We're going to find a place for the PCM. And I'll be right back after I install everything. So, we got everything cleaned up now. Everything's been set up, and as you guys know, the remote start works. And but with the painting, so yeah, Wrangler's done. Right now with the painting, something bad happened, and yeah, that little mark is pissing me off because apparently I had it on a hook like a dumbass. And now I have to wait for a day so I can sand this and then repaint it. But I'm gonna repaint the forks off camera. But yeah, I'll eventually be done with this project with the fork, and so this will be ready to sell. Maybe if I get lucky, I'll get a good trade. Maybe, I don't know, who knows. But yeah, thank you guys for watching for for watching this video. If you liked it, tap the like button and then leave a comment if you also enjoyed it. What the fuck was that? But yeah, I'll try to make more videos with the stuff that I have right now, because at the moment I don't know what to do, and I don't have anything to even try to do to my Wrangler. So yeah, and also I'm low on budget, so I can't really afford a lot of stuff. So yeah, but yeah, anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. My intro outro thing just doesn't work. I can't speak. I'm just way too tired because of everything. My back hurts. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.